tree is not there, so it is not allowed, right?
Exactly. So if you have to create a foreign key, which table I have to create first?
Parent table.
Right? Department table. Right? So let's say department I. I'm calling the table itself as parent. I have to define this as primary key or unique key. Anything will work. Let's say I'm defining it as unique. Okay. We'll create it. So right now, which constraint I have created?
Unique.
Now I'm going to create which table?
Child table.
In DID. Column name can be different. Don't think that the column name has to be same. It can be different. Okay. Now I'll put a comma and I'll say foreign key fk1 reference is which table?
Parent table.
Which column?
Departmental.
But here in foreign key, which column I am referencing? Departmental. Get it? Now when I'm going to describe child table, what it tells me? MUL means a foreign key. Okay. Can I insert any row in my child table?
Yes, sir.
The one that are in.
Yes.
Will this work?
No. You have to first enter into parent table.
Parent table is empty. But will this work?
No.
Yes.
Null will work, sir.
Yes.
Will this work?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Unique.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Will this work?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Hit this yourself. First command 1A1 fails. Why? Because 1 is still not there in my parent table. So I'm getting a foreign key constraint fails. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Then was I able to insert null?
Yes.
Child table?
Yes, sir.
Works. Look at this command, insert into parent values. This command failed because of some other reason. I have to write values here. Let me run this again. Insert it. Now my parent table has one row. Right?
Yes.
Now will I be able to insert this?
Yes.
Yes.
This will fail.
Why this will fail?
One.
What is there in the department now?
Yeah. Correct.
Now the question she asked, right? Can I delete data from my parent table?
No, sir.
It will fail. Why it will fail? Because I have a value in the child table. You should try this.
Sir, then first we have to, if you want to delete the values from parent tables,
First
then
delete it from the child table.
yeah, firstly we have to delete it from child table, na?
Yes.
So third command over here, insert into, if we change this parent into child, then it will work now, because the default value will be taken as null.
Come again.
Sir, in the third command, insert into parent values, if we change this parent as child, then it will work.
No. You have to put a column because child table has 3 columns.
So the default value will not be taken as null.
No, but you have to put column name